So this is a Note 10 Plus back cover camera replacement with the lens. So I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and plug this in. So pretty much the way to install this is you put the little piece inside there, this little piece right here, and when you take it off there's a blue little film that comes with the camera. You pull that off and that's going to leave this to be adhesive right here. So then after that you would get this little guy right here, and once you take this guy to the packet you would put it on the front over there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This one side. So this is the new phone right here. And then pretty much you want to make sure the little camera guy is on the bottom and the bigger one is on the top. And then you would just press it right on in. So that's what the cover looks like. And this one hasn't been glued on yet, so it still has the tape markings. So pretty much when you get the thing, this is from Chicago Mobile Parts, but pretty much what you would do is you have the back cover, you put the lens inside, you're going to have that blue little tape, you pull off the blue tape and there's going to have a little adhesive stuck in here. Then you get, this is the blue adhesive you take off. And then once you take off the blue adhesive, you put on the lens and you press it in there into this little area right here with the big guy on the top and the little guy on the bottom. So you can see that. And then pretty much once you put the lens on, at this point it's pretty much good to go. And then the final step in this, to putting this back cover on, would be to taking off all the glue off this guy. And then once you have that, you just slowly put it from the top, and then you would just seal it and then put clips on there to hold it, and then there you go. So the front camera replacement's actually, or the back camera replacement's actually pretty quick. And this one had a screen replacement as well done on it. And yeah, so the camera lens is actually pretty quick to install. Yeah. And that was actually pretty quick. Okay. And then yeah, so that's the lens right there. And pretty much, yeah. And then yeah, you just put the back cover on.